It's me, Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So today's video will be showing you guys how I put on this closure wig that I made in my previous video. If you guys didn't see it, I'll leave a link down below. But in that video, I just show you guys how I made this wig using the hot glue gun method. And it didn't take me that long, it took like an hour. It's a quicker alternative, and you guys did have some questions about that. So I did respond to some comments under that video, so if you guys are wondering or still have any questions, be sure to check that video out down below. But today's video will be all about how I put this hair on and basically how I styled it. Basically, I just wand curled this hair. I did curl it, if you guys saw at the end of the video, I think the wig was curled. I used a bigger wand to curl it initially, but today I decided to use a little bit of a smaller one to like refresh the curls on it. And this is just how the hair looks. It's really fluffy and light and nice. This hair is from DSoar hair. It's their Malaysian loose wave. And I did cut the hair, but I will put the inches that I initially had down below. But I do love this hair so far. I love how like flowy it is and like fluffy. I love that it has like weight to it. So yeah, it might be because I didn't straighten it before I wand curled it. That might be why I like turned it out this way. But I love it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this wig on and how I like styled it and stuff, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, so that is how I put on my wig and how I curled my hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe. Also, thank you so much to DSoar hair for sending me this hair and allowing me to do these videos for you guys. I really do love the hair. I would definitely recommend it. I haven't worn it long term, so maybe I'll give you guys an update with that if you guys want it. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, if you guys like this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe.